Hi, good evening. I'm George Amafakasi, IT 300F, Group 62, and our topic for today is portable computing device. Hi, welcome to today's lesson. Before we dive into the lesson, let's answer the following questions. What are some of the differences between smartphones and desktop computers? I need your answers. Okay, that's good. You have all done well. Now let's see some of the answers. Size and portability. Smartphones are much smaller and more portable than desktop computers. Input device. Smartphones typically use touch screens for inputs, while desktop computers use keypads and mice. Software compatibility. Desktop computers are compatible with a wider range of software than smartphones. Processing power and storage capacity. Desktop computers typically have more powerful processors and more storage capacity than desktop. So guess what? So this gives our lesson for today: portable computing devices. Now before we go to the lesson, let's break the topic into the various components. We will first look at what portable are, or the meaning of the word portable. So portable refers to the ability of a device or object to be easily carried or moved from one place to another. Portable power bank enable us to charge our device anywhere during ensuring we don't run out of battery when we need them the most. Portable water bottle allow us to stay hydrated while being active or traveling. So let's look at the definition of what portable computing device are. Portable computing device is a computer that can be easily moved from one place to another. Portable devices are typically small and lightweight, making them easy to transport. They are often run on batteries, so they can be used anywhere, even without an electrical outlet. For example, smartphones and laptops are portable devices that allow us to connect it, work, and entertain ourselves on the go. Now let's look at some of the examples of portable computing devices: laptop, smartphone, smartwatch, and tablets. There are more examples out there, so you can go and find out. So those who haven't seen a laptop before, the first one is a laptop, second one is a smartphone, and then we have smartwatch and tablet. So these are some of the examples of portable computing device. Now we are moving to some of their uses. So use of portable computing devices: for video call, for testing, for email, for video call. You can also use portable device, for example smartphone, to edit and record video. You can also use tablet to send or surf on the social media. So there are a lot of uses of portable computing devices. So this one to go and find out more use of portable computing devices. So as you can see, the woman is making a video call. That's one of the use of portable computing device. You can use portable device to make a video call. But But as you can see in the picture, this is example of video call that we talk about from the previous slide. So this is a video call we talk about, and this is the SMS or message we talk about. We use portable device to send message, so as you can see on the screen. Okay, now we are going to look about how to use portable computing device to communicate, specifically to send an email using smartphone. The instructor is Miss Vivian Fimpo, so let's listen to her.
Now we have reached where we will use smartphone to communicate, specifically to send an email message. So pay attention to the tutorials that follows. The first step is to locate the email app on your smartphone. The email app is represented as an envelope icon on your smartphone. Let's tap on it to open. Right now, this is the first interface that you will see when you click on the email app. The last time that we met, we learned how to create an account. I hope you remember the account name and the password that you used, because that is what we will be using today. To compose a new email, look for a compose button or a plus button icon within the email app. Tap on it to open. This is the second interface that you will see when you tap on the compose button. We have different fields on this interface. The first field is the from field. The second one is the to field. The third one is the subject field. And the last one is the compose email field. To start with, we will use the from field, and that field contains the sender's email address. As you can see from the interface, the sender's email address is already there. That is johnamoku061@gmail.com. Let's go to the to field, which will contain the recipient's email address. For example, let's say the recipient is Abigail and her email address is abigail01@gmail.com. So I will type it at where the to is. Let's move to the subject field, which contains the main title of the email. So let's take assignment 2 as the main title of the email that we are sending. So I will type it there. Then we move to the compose email field. That is where you type the main message. So let's use portable computing device as the main message. So let's type it. That's good. If you want to add file to the message, locate the file attached button, which is represented by paperclip icon on top where they have written compose, and tap on it. When you tap on it, you will see two menus. One is attached file and the other is insert from drive. Insert from drive means that you are inserting the file from your drive on your mobile phone. But we will use the attached file to insert the file from our device storage. So let's add file. After this, we will review what we have done. If it's okay, then we send by locating the send button, which is represented as greater than icon beside the attached file button. So click on it. Thank you. Here comes the end of today's lecture. Bye bye.
So now I have take over again. Now in this lesson we are going to look at some impact of portable computing device. Communication. Smartphone and tablets have revolutionized communication, allowing us to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues at all times. Information access. Portable computing devices provides instant access to vast amounts of information through the internet. Learning and education. Students can access online resources, e-books, and educational apps to enhance their learning experience at anywhere, at any time. Health and fitness. Portable computing devices often provide or come with inbuilt health and fitness features such as step counters and heart rate monitors. So today we have learned about what portable computing devices are. That is a device that we can carry out from one place to another, and some of their examples are mobile phone or smartphone, tablet and laptop, and so on and so forth. And we learned about their uses, can use to make calls, editing and recording videos, and etc. And then we come to the impact of portable devices in our community or society, which is the information access, learning and education, health and fitness, and communication. Thank you. See you next week. Bye bye.